In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's quickly check the dry run of this code. So I have mentioned a complete new array, right, of a different types so that we can understand it much more better. And so this is my array. These are my indexes. The size of the n is 7. I have created one stack. Okay. And I have one answer array. You can assume that all the elements are filled with 0. Okay. So this step we have covered, this step we have covered, this step we have covered. Okay. And I hope this is clear to you. So I will start from 2 into n minus 1. So let's quickly find, okay, what is 2 into n minus 1? So n is 7, 7 into 2, that will be 14 minus 1, that will be 13. I is 30. Okay. So I will find 13 and I will find out I modulus n, that is 13 modulus n, right? So 13 modulus n will give me 6, right? So it will be 6 and I will start from this element basically. This is talking about. So let's for our initiative, let's create this visual array. So again, there is no need, but again, let's visualize as 24, 22, and then we have 15, then we have 12, then we have 9, then we have 11, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So I will be 13, right? 2n minus 1, 13, but index the I modulus n will be here. Okay. So index will be here. I will check is my stack dot length is not equals to 0. No, it is equals to 0. So I will come here. Is my I is less than n? No, I is not less than n. So my I is not less than, my I is here, right, at 30. So it is not less than. Okay. So I will simply won't do anything. I will push it into the 11. I will push 11 and I will move. I will do I minus minus. Now my I is pointing to 12. Okay. I will find out the index. What is 12 modulus n? So my index will pointing to this one, right? Fifth of the element. I will check stack dot length. Stack dot length is not equals to 0. Yes, it is not equals to 0. And the stack dot length topmost element, this topmost element, is it greater than this? Yes. No. Is it smaller than this? So topmost element is not smaller, it is greater. Okay. So again, I will come out from the stack and I will check, is my I is less than n? No, I is not less than n. So again, I won't do any type of operation. I will simply move and I will push the index element. So I will push 9 and I will move. And my I pointer will be here at 11, right? I minus minus. So I towards 11. What will be my I modulus n? So my I modulus n, that will be 11 modulus 7 will be 4 here. So my index will be here. I will check, is my stack dot length is not equals to 0? Yes, it is not equals to 0. Okay. I will say, what is your topmost element? My topmost element is 9 now. So my topmost element is 9 here. Okay. Is it less than equals to nums dot length? Yes, it is less than. So what I will do, I will pop it. Okay. And now I will check, is 11 is your topmost element? Is it less than 12? Yes, it is also less than. I will pop it out. Okay. And now my stack is empty. I will come here. Is your I is less than n? No, it's not. Again, I will move it. So again, I will move it. Okay. And my index pointing to here. I modulus n. Right. And before moving, remember, I need to push array index. I will push 12 into. Okay. Now for 15, is your stack is empty? No, it's not. Okay. Is 12 is less than 15? Yes, it is. 12 is less than 15. So simply pop out. I will pop out. Now, is your stack length is 0? Yes, it is 0. So I will come out of the while loop and I will say I is less than n. No, I is still not less than n. So my I pointer will be here and my index will be here. Okay. And before again moving, I will push 50 into it. Now I will check again. Is your stack length is not equals to 0? Yes, it is not equals to 0. Is your topmost element is greater than the required element? No, it's not. It's first of all, it is less than. Yes, it is less than. 15 is less than. So yes, you will pop out. Okay, now it's empty. You will come here. Is your I is less than n? No, I is not less than n. You will move it. You will again move your index, right? Your index will be here. And before moving it, you will push 22 into it. Okay. Now, is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your topmost element is less than? No, topmost element is not less than 4. Okay, I will come here out. I will basically come out. Okay, because it's not less than. Is I is less than n? No, it's not. So again, I will move here. Okay, my I pointer will be here. Okay, now again, and like when I is not less than n, before moving, what I will do, I will push 4 into it. I'll push 4 into it. Okay, now here again, I will check what is I modulus n. I modulus n is pointing to 20. Is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your stack element, topmost element is less than the current element? Yes, it is. It is less than. What I will do, I will pop it. Okay. Again, after popping out, is your element, stack topmost element is less than? No, it's not. It's not less than. I will come here. Is your I is less than n? No, I is still not less than n. I is equals to n. Okay. So what I will do, I will simply push the element, that is I will push 20 and I will move. So I will move. I will do I minus. Now my I will be here. My index will be, we will check out index. Now let's see, check out. What is 6 modulus 7? 6 modulus 7, again, that is 6 only, right? So again, from this 0, my index will point to here itself. Okay, so I will check for 11. Is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your stack topmost element is less than 11? No, it's not less than, it's greater than. Okay, so what I will do, for I less than n, for I is less than n, I will check, is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. So I will come in the else part and I will say answer of I, that is answer of 6 will be topmost element. What is this? That is 20. So now you will fill it and you will do I minus minus. So I will be 5, 5 modulus 7, that is same. So index will also be same. Again, your before moving, what you will do, you will push 11 into it. Is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your topmost element is less than the current element? No, it's not. Okay, it's greater. So we'll come out from the stack. Is your I is less than n? Yes, it is less than n. Is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. So what I will do, I will push the topmost element. What is my topmost element? That is 11. So I will mention the 11 here. Okay, the fifth, and I will move it. So my I pointer will be here. My index pointer will be here. Okay. Now, before again moving, I will mention 9. Now, is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your topmost element is less than the nums? Yes, it is. So, I will pop out. Again, is your topmost element is less than the nums of pi? Yes, it is. I will pop out. Okay. Now, again, is your topmost element is less than? No, it's not. So, what I will do, I will come out from the stack. Is your I is less than n? Yes, it is. Okay. Stack length is not 0. I will come here and I will push 20 here, topmost element. Okay. And before moving ahead, I will simply mention 12 and I will move I will move my index. Now again here, okay, I and I modulus and index and I both are working same. Is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your topmost element is less than the current element? 12? Yes, it is less than. So simply pop out. Now again, is your topmost element is less than or equal to current element? No, it's not. It's greater. So then what I need to do? I will come out of it. This I is less than n. Stack is not 0. I will again mention the topmost element. So I will mention 20 here. And before moving ahead, I will mention and push 5 into I, and similarly index will be here. Now for 22, it's your stack is 0. Stack dot length is 0. No, it's not. Is your topmost element is lesser than 22? Yes, it is. It is less than. So I will simply pop out. Is your topmost element is less than 22? Again, yes, pop out. Is your topmost element is less than or equal to 22? Yes, it is. Pop out. Okay. Now for 22, is your stack is empty? Yes, it is. I will come here. Okay. Come out from the while loop. I is less than n. Is your stack length is 0? Yes, it is. So I will mention -1 here and I will move it. And before moving, I will mention 22. I here, next here. Okay. Now again, is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your stack topmost element is lesser than your current element? No, it's not. It's greater. Okay. So I will come here. I is less than n. Yes, it is. Is your length is 0? No, stack length is not 0. So answer of topmost element. So that will be your 22 is the answer. Okay. Again, you will, before moving it, you will push 4 into it and you will move with the I pointer here and your index pointer will also come here. Okay. Now, now here again, is your stack length is 0? No, it's not. Is your topmost element, that is 4, is less than your current element, that is 20? Yes, it is less than. So simply move it. Again, is your topmost element is less than your current element, less than or equal? No, it's not less than, it's greater than. So you will come here. Is your I is less than n? Yes, it is. Is your stack length is 0? No, it is not. I will come under else condition and I will mention 22, your topmost element. And again, before moving, I will put 20 and I will move. And yes, that's the end of the loop. That's the end of the loop, right? I am reached to here, -1. Okay. And I will simply stop here. Okay. And you can see this I have filled it, right? My answer area, I have filled it 22, 22, -1, 20, 20, 11, 5, 6. Let me write the indexes. These will be the indexes, and you can see, right, the maximum elements in the stack I have achieved, that was only 5 elements, right? So again, the time complexity will be big O of n. Okay, like this will be 2n, right? Iterations, you can see how many iterations we have done. Okay, so that can be, number of iterations will be 2n plus n. Okay, that is 3n. Okay, we can ignore the constant and the time complexity will be big O of n only. Space complexity, again, we are taking one space here and one for my answer area. So again, 2n is space, but again ignoring the constant here. So it will be big O of. So your time and space complexity will be big O of n, and this will be your perfect solution to this problem. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the dry run. In the next video, we will check out one another problem.